I'll be showing you step by step how to import reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store to help provide social proof and credibility to the products you're selling. Before I dive into it, I want to mention my very own Shopify theme that's designed to make you more money and more sales. It's packed with 20 plus conversion boosting features, saving you up to $1,944 a year on app subscriptions. There's a link in the description below. So let's dive right into it. The app we'll be using is called Ali Reviews. It has an extremely positive rating on the Shopify App Store with over 14,000 5-star reviews and a pretty generous free plan that lets us import 5 reviews per product. So you can find this on the Shopify App Store. I'll leave a link in the description below as well. But once you're on the page, we'll click install here. If you're comfortable with the permissions, we'll click install again. And let's go and import some AliExpress reviews. So it's going to prompt you to start a free trial. I'm going to scroll down here and then click the free plan. And I'm going to click free plan as well, just to maintain that free plan status. So let's click the get started button next. First up, we need to enable the app embed on our store. And this should be prompting you when you first set up the app here. So I'll click on Enable App Embed. It's going to open up the Shopify theme editor. We can see it's already been toggled on. And so we'll just hit save in the top right here. I'll head back to the previous tab and I'm just going to reload this page here as we have enabled the app embed. And then I'll click the next tab called Add Review Box. And this will bring me back again to the Shopify theme editor, bringing me to the product page this time. And it's automatically added the star rating on top here. You can see the review widget at the bottom. So I'll hit save next to finalize those changes. Head back to the Ali Reviews app here. And next we want to go and import some actual reviews. So I'll click on import reviews. I'm going to go scroll down to a product called the Collection Snowboard. And we want to go and click the import review button. And so you can follow this process for all your products on your store, letting us easily import those AliExpress reviews. So I'll click import reviews. And once I do that, it redirects me to a page here asking me to install the Chrome extension. It can make this process easier. We can also just scroll down and find the product again and click import reviews. And so it's going to automatically suggest some products from AI. We can also remove all of them, then hit manually add review sources. And so since this isn't a dropshipping store, I'm just going to select a random product here on AliExpress, copy the URL, head back to the review source. And so I've just pasted in an AliExpress product. Once I paste that in, we can see it's now fetching the reviews. It's pulled the exact product that I had. And I can either import all if I have several sources, or I can just import this one here. And I can see it's imported 5 reviews here, as that is the limit on the free plan. To note, when you're importing reviews as well, if you actually want to go and customize some settings, you can do so at the top with customized settings. This gives us some filtering options for both reviews from AliExpress and Amazon, whether we want to auto-publish them, prioritize review order, and we can exclude reviews in, let's say, the last 7 days. We also get some content moderation options, such as auto-converting the AliExpress shopper name to something else. We can also set it to we only want reviews with content. We can also even change it to reviews with photos. We can skip reviews with specific keywords. And so they pre-built quite a few ones in here, such as AliExpress or slow shipping, as you maybe don't want to import those reviews onto your store. We can also use AliExpress's translation. By language, it's going to convert it to English. We can also filter in which countries you want to import reviews from. So by default, I think the settings look okay, but if you want to customize those options are available as well. So you can hit save to finalize those on the top. I'll click the back button here and we can see they have been imported. So let's head to our Shopify store. I'm going to go search for this product here to see how the reviews look on our store. On the left-hand side menu, I'm going to hover over the eye icon in the search bar. I'm just going to enter the product name, click enter. I can see the product here. And just like that, I can see my review stars have been imported. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. You have all your costs from your cost of goods sold, transaction fees, monthly expenses, and then all your ad spend from all your different ad accounts. It can be difficult to get a true understanding of your Shopify store. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator that syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts, your Shopify store, and your cost of goods sold. And once it's set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, letting you make smarter business decisions. From there, you have a ton of different analytics, metrics, and calculations displayed in an easy-to-read dashboard, along with many other breakdown reports. You can test drive everything for yourself with a 15-day free trial, and I'll leave a link in the description below that's going to bring you to the Shopify App Store directly, where you can set up that free trial. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and then taking a look for this logo in the top left here. This concludes the video here on how to import AliExpress reviews onto your Shopify store. To note, there are quite a few other apps available as well. In other videos, we looked at Judge Me also to import reviews into our store. Before I go, I want to mention Conversion King one more time. It's my very own Shopify theme that comes with 20 plus built-in conversion boosting features. And it's a theme designed to help you generate more sales and make more money on your store. You also get lifetime access when you purchase it, and it saves you up to $1,944 a year on app subscriptions. There's a link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.